This is Bhupinder Singh from the FNF. It's again a new Sunday at 11. So आज हम बात करेंगे अपने टॉपिक पे, दैट इज़ लव एंड केयर ऑफ योर किडनीज. सो इस टॉपिक में we will cover about kidney functioning, kidney stress reasons, emotions, the unconventional way, the impact on your body, उसको हम कैसे वाटर थेरेपी कैसे यूज़ कर सकते हैं, डिटॉक्स मेथड्स क्या यूज़ कर सकते हैं, फूड क्या यूज़ कर सकते हैं, एंड हाउ बाय यू डूइंग अ स्मॉल हैंड एक्सरसाइज कैन ऑल्सो हेल्प योर किडनीज. So the entire talk about today is more to do with the unconventional theory about what I practice and how I integrate food with emotions, and accordingly also adding exercise to the regime. So to begin with, first हम समझेंगे कि हमारे किडनीज के फंक्शंस क्या होते हैं. तो किडनीज का मोस्ट प्राइमरी फंक्शन होता है wherein it has to remove all the toxins, all the acids out of our body. So it is a complete channel wherein everything which metabolizes and it comes as an excrete mode via the kidneys. So that is why kidneys are very important in terms of healthy functioning. जितना आपका हेल्दी फंक्शनिंग होगा उतना आपके लिए आपका एक्सक्रीट मेथडोलॉजी और एक्सक्रीट प्रोसेस इज़ मच बेटर. सो दैट इज़ वन. दूसरा होता है कि इट ऑल्सो हेल्प्स विद ब्लड प्यूरिफिकेशन और RBC ब्लड प्यूरिफिकेशन, जहाँ पे वो आपके ब्लड सेल्स के लिए, आपके ब्लड काउंट के लिए हेल्प करता है. और साथ में आपके काफ़ी हार्मोन्स भी डिपेंडेंट होते हैं किडनीज पे. So a very small percentage is also linked to the adrenal glands near the kidneys, जो आपके टेस्टोस्टेरोन एस्ट्रोजन में हेल्प करता है. और उसके अलावा और भी हार्मोन्स हैं जो किडनीज हेल्प करते हैं फंक्शनिंग में. सबसे बड़ी बात, जैसे मैंने स्टार्टिंग में बताया कि इट इज़ a very good source and a process involved to metabolize, have good metabolism. So this is what the kidney does. So इसके बाद हम आएंगे समझने की what is the unconventional understanding about the kidney, what kind of an emotion or the reason why kidneys go under stress or under pressure. The biggest source is, or the biggest reason of kidneys going under stress is fear. So जो हम fear incorporate करते हैं हमारे kidneys पे impact होता है. So it is again visual, maybe you breathe or you inhale or you speak or you hear, so all, or even if you touch, so all your senses are the ones which actually help, और जो आपको fear create करते हैं, आपको दिखाई देता है. So it directly impacts your kidneys. When the kidneys are impacted, it goes into a survival mode. So our survival mode is always, our body is like a fish. आप पानी में रहोगे तो fish is alive. As you remove water from the fish out of the water, वो fish फड़फड़ाने लगेगी. It will try and survive and reach out to the water. So that is what we do with our body in terms of fear, जहाँ पे आप अपनी kidneys पे pressure डाल रहे हो and you're going to a survival mode. And where somewhere if you rework and if you see, आपका water intake reduce हो रहा है. So that means you are becoming like a fish which is out of the water, और वो फड़फड़ा रही है और वो सर्वाइव करने की कोशिश कर रही है, और उसे सर्वाइव करने के लिए और कुछ नहीं, पानी चाहिए. So we will have to incorporate water. So water is the most essential part and a very simple logic, what your body always wants, and a very simple method of losing weight. जब किडनी स्ट्रेस में जाती हैं तो आप देखोगे कि आपके किडनीज के आसपास you start, we call it love angles. So love angles आने शुरू हो जाते हैं, and simultaneously it starts building around the tummy area. So if you have love angles, to just understand that what you're going through, then the kidneys are under pressure, because to protect them it has started building water molecules and you are not drinking enough of water. तो वाटर बॉडी आपके आसपास बनती जा रही है एज अ प्रोटेक्शन, एज अ सर्वाइवल. सो उसको हम रिवर्स कैसे करें? सबसे इजी चीज़ है ड्रिंकिंग वाटर, ड्रिंकिंग एडिक्वेट वाटर. एडिक्वेट वाटर इज़ वेरी सिंपल. अगेन if you weigh 20 kgs, you need 1 liter of water, and you just multiply the kgs and the water. So if you weigh 80 kgs, you need 4 liters of water. And how do we drink? 1 glass every hour, or 1 glass every 45 minutes. This will be a practice wherein you drink water throughout the day. एंड द मैजिक इज, जैसे आप पानी पियोगे जितनी आपकी बॉडी को चाहिए, आप रियलाइज करोगे कि यू आर यूरिनेटिंग मोर. देयर इज लॉट ऑफ एक्सक्रीटिंग यूरिनेशन हैपनिंग more than what it used to happen earlier. So that is the way how you try and boost your metabolism, help your kidneys to come out of survival mode and give water. When water is given to your body, to your kidneys, you automatically start coming out of the survival mode and you feel better. It is a way of reversing your fear, what you have. Identifying fear is something different. It's a therapeutical manner. Right now what we are trying to understand is, as a layman, as a mutual person, how do I work on my kidneys? So this would be one way, the most easiest way to reverse your kidney functioning, have good healthy kidneys. इसके अलावा kidneys स्ट्रेस में तब भी जाती हैं जब भी आप, when I am relating fear, so the human body when it goes into fear, how do you remove that fear? So some people choose on and start having more cravings and reach out to foods which stay in the body for long, because you want something which is there with you, which is protecting you, which is helping you. So it is, again, you are in the survival mode. So you might start eating wrong foods, more of junk food, more of preservative foods, more of salty foods, because you want that water to retain. So salt is something which holds the water. It is help in water retention. So आपकी बॉडी में एज एंड वेयर जहाँ आपके फैट्स बनते जाएंगे, वहाँ पे आप रियलाइज करोगे कि वहाँ फैट्स बन रहा है. सो इट इज़ मोर ऑफ water molecules which are coming around your body, starting from the kidneys, going up, going down, again depends from person to person. So इसमें आप ज़्यादा करके जंक फूड शुरू करोगे, and it will become a habit because you will get addicted to it, because आपको लगेगा कि आप survive कर रहे हो, this food is helping you, it is making you feel very happy mentally because you eat that. Too much of maida, too much of sodas, too much of canned food, too much of plastic food, packet food, adding too much of salt in your food. Also you can say frozen food. Frozen food में mostly it is more to do with the meats what comes in frozen food. Again उसको preserve करने के लिए हमें salt add करना पड़ता है. So there is such kind of food is when intaken, it takes more time to metabolize because it stays in your body for long. And the more it stays in the body, you feel better because there is something which is there giving you more energy, giving you more strength. इसका साइड इम्पैक्ट ये होता है कि आपका मेटाबॉलिज्म स्लो हो रहा है, एंड स्लो होते होते जब वो एक्सक्रीट मेथड पे जा रहा है वो किडनीज में जाके होल्ड होता है, एंड इट इज़ नॉट एबल टू एक्सक्रीट बिकॉज समवेयर दैट फियर इज होल्डिंग ऑन टू दैट फूड, और वो फियर से आप उसको कंट्रोल कर रहे हो कि मुझे ये मेरे पास और थोड़ा टाइम रह जाए, मैं थोड़ा और सर्वाइव करूँ. सो यू ऐड वाटर, दैट इज़ वन. Start drinking more water, 1 glass every hour. Second, you remove all the packet foods, all the maida from your eating, all the sodas, all the food which has added sugar, added salt, packet food, plastic food, canned food, anything which comes with an expiry date is not what you want. Remove them out. This will help you better your kidney. जब भी आप ये खाना निकाल देते हो और पानी इंटेक बढ़ा देते हो, you will suddenly realize there is no storage. You will feel relaxed. You will feel that there's some change in the functioning. So it is, you cannot say that kidneys are functioning better or not, but you will feel internally that yes, my body is feeling better. And when you're urinating more, that means the kidneys are going off stress. It is releasing all the toxins it always wanted to. It will not hold the water. And then you will suddenly realize there is a switch of weight. So previously I had talked about water. Many people did send me emails wherein trying it for 7 to 10 days did make them switch, lose some inches, lose a kg or two, again depending from person to person. So it does do wonders, and I work with my clients primarily starting with this, removing all the packet food, all the salts, all the maidas, all the sugars, and add more water and then incorporate the food what is needed. So इसके अलावा आपकी बॉडी पे किडनीज का इम्पैक्ट ये भी है. इफ़ यू आर एन एथलीट, इफ़ यू आर अ रनर, सो most of them come with that right कि I am training more, I am exercising more, so I have the right to eat whatever I want. So that is a very wrong myth, a wrong understanding about your own body, because आप पहले तो अपनी बॉडी को ट्रेनिंग में स्ट्रेच कर रहे हो, स्ट्रेन डाल रहे हो मसल्स पे, ऑर्गन्स पे खास, एंड जब आप वापस रिकवरी मोड में जब आप खाने बैठ रहे हो तभी आप कुछ भी खा रहे हो. सो योर ऑर्गन्स आर अगेन गोइंग इनटू स्ट्रेस. So kidneys also help with exercising, aerobic, anaerobic exercises, any form of exercises. It is a form wherein the blood circulation has to happen, and kidney also plays a role. So kidneys are anyways under stress because it has to run the blood circulation, run the oxygen throughout the body in combination with other organs of the body. उसी दौरान जब उसको रेस्ट मिल रहा है, आप या तो पानी निकाल रहे हो या तो आप गलत फूड खा रहे हो. So kidneys are again under stress. So that is one also another reason why people also say that, I exercise so much, I burn so many calories. I do 1 hour training, 2 hours training, I have burned 1000 calories, 2000 calories. But there is no switch on the weight because you are not eating right, you are not drinking good water. So you need to incorporate this. So इसके अलावा जब किडनीज पे स्ट्रेस आता है और किडनीज पे इम्पैक्ट आता है, उसमें और जो चीज़ें हैं, इट ऑल्सो बिकॉज ऑफ द इम्पैक्ट एंड बिकॉज ऑफ द स्ट्रेन ऑन द किडनीज, वेट गेन होता है, स्लीप इश्यूज हो सकते हैं, आपको नींद बराबर से नहीं हो रही है, साउंड स्लीप नहीं है, यू आर गेटिंग अप इन मिडल ऑफ द नाइट, वीकनेस फील करेगी बॉडी, रिकवरी बहुत स्लो है अगर आप एक्सरसाइज करते हो. और अगर आप एक्सरसाइज नहीं करते हो, किसी दिन अगर आप ज़्यादा वॉक कर लिए या किसी ट्रैवल कर लिए, सडनली यू फील वेरी टायर्ड एंड वेरी लेथार्जिक, वेरी वीक. Okay, again you're running out of water because you're trying to anyway survive from the inside, and when you're going out you're still running into the survival mode. So इस दौरान पानी ऐड करना है. एंड kidneys जब प्रेशर में है, another way to also understand is you will suddenly feel that your glutes are stiff. That is where the kidneys are impacting, and the glutes, the movement of the glutes is not happening. So you are using more of your lower body or maybe the upper body for movement. तो आप maybe आपका hamstring ज़्यादा यूज़ कर रहे हो, आपके knees ज़्यादा यूज़ कर रहे हो movement में, instead of using the glutes. So glutes are always supposed to be moved, right? So we will talk about the glutes later, जब हम how to use your hands and little form of exercises to relax your kidneys and reverse the emotion. So we'll talk that in the last. So इसके अलावा apart from drinking water, there is another more water therapies what can be incorporated. Is the first one is that take up swimming. आप अगर पूल में अगर आपको स्विमिंग नहीं आती है, so even if you reach out to the pool and just sit in the water, that is giving so much of water to your body, that is giving so much of water to your kidneys. अब आप पानी एक्सटर्नली दे रहे हैं या इंटरनली दे रहे हैं, the body will always want for water. So if you cannot reach out to a swimming pool, if you have a bathtub or even if you have a small tub in the house, fill that with water, sit in the bathtub, sit for 20 minutes, 30 minutes, as much time you want. Just put regular room temperature water. I'm not saying hot, cold, anything. Regular room temperature water. It is just to relax your body, and you will see a huge change mentally. जब आप ये करते हो तो आपको ऐसे लगेगा कि there is a switch in your brain, in your thinking, and you feeling very relaxed and you feeling very energetic also. And it can also happen that if you do it in the evening before you go to bed, you will have a very sound sleep, and you will realize, oh, I have not slept this well for so many months or maybe years or maybe days. So that is one thing. The other way of using water and to detox or purify your kidneys is पुदीना. आप पुदीना लीव्स लीजिए, एक ग्लास के बॉटल में डाल दीजिए, सुबह डालिए, दिन भर उसी में पानी भरिए, वही पानी पीजिए. You can transfer the water from the bottle to the glass. Drink every hour 1 glass of water. This mint leaf जो पुदीना की लीव्स हैं वो हेल्प करती हैं बॉडी को डिटॉक्स होने में. And you will realize again, oh wow, you're feeling a very cool feeling inside, the throat is feeling cool, the internal organs, because वो एक cool effect देता है. And simultaneously अंदर से you will feel that you're feeling much better. And where there was so much of heat, which was caused by the fear which you had, suddenly it will start reversing because you'll start having a cool effect in the body, and again you will urinate more. So if you have fear of urinating more, so and if you're traveling and if you move out a lot, do this thing when you are at home the entire day, or even if you're at home for half or maybe 3/4 of the day, do that. The other way is जो धनिया लीव्स होती हैं, बॉइलिंग वाटर ले लीजिए. द बॉइलिंग वाटर में आप उसमें जो धनिया लीव्स हैं, वो धनिया लीव्स को आप उसमें कट करके या विद द स्टेम आप उसको डाल दीजिए. एंड जब वो बॉईल होगा, आफ्टर बॉइलिंग गैस बंद कर दीजिए. यू कैन जस्ट पुट द लिड and with the steam the essence of dhania will go in the water, and you can then थोड़ा ठंडा होने के बाद, स्टीम के बाद आप उसको ओपन करें, एक ग्लास में डाल लें छान के, तो आपके धनिया लीव्स बाहर आ जाएंगे और सिर्फ पानी रह जाएगा, which will be more of greenish in color. उसको रूम टेम्परेचर पे ले आएँ and then you can have that 1 glass of water. This is another way of purifying the kidneys, and wherein if for example if you're going to switch from stopping from having the wrong food, the plastic food, the packet foods, maida and all, this is the best way to let the kidneys function properly. आप ये धनिया का ग्लास पानी पिएंगे, it will just improvise and you will feel that oh wow, the excreting has happened much better and you will feel relieved. So you can try and do these little bit of water therapies which really do wonders, and it has changed the way people think and feel about fear. So this will definitely give you more of motivation and more of energy, and when the switch of energy happens in the right sense where you feel good, then things will just start moving, and then you can incorporate food and start having a healthy life again. And iske apart, if you want, you can also add sliced fruits. So you can just slice down the fruits, and with for example an apple, अगर आप उसको स्लाइस करते हो, उसके छिलके को मत निकालिए. विद जो छिलका है उसके साथ आप उसको पानी में डाल दें. हाउ वी टॉक्ड अबाउट द मिंट लीफ, जो हमने पुदीने की बात की, वही चीज़ आप फ्रूट्स के साथ भी कर सकते हो. एंड वो फ्रूट्स का जो एसेंस है, जो वाइटामिन्स है, जो मिनरल्स है, वो वाटर ले लेता है और वही आप पीते हो. अगेन इट इज़ अ वेरी गुड वे टू डिटॉक्स योरसेल्फ. इसके अलावा व्हाट यू सपोज टू ईट to have good kidney function is add good amount of vegetables to your eating. Seasonal vegetables, seasonal fruits, it is very important. एक पर्टिकुलर फ्रूट या वेजिटेबल अगर वो सीज़न में आता है, बिकॉज उसकी कुछ अहमियत है वो सीज़न में आपकी बॉडी को हेल्प करने के लिए, तो इसीलिए आप सीजनल फ्रूट्स और वेजिटेबल्स पे रिलाई करें हमेशा, एंड स्टिक टू देम. कीप ऑन एडिंग, डेली चेंज कीजिए वेजिटेबल्स एंड फ्रूट्स. हैव डिफरेंट कलर्स एवरी डे. योर बॉडी वुड लव दैट चेंज एवरी डे. Monotonous is not good and you don't feel good about it, so you need change. So इसके अलावा now we are going to talk about the last thing about our kidneys, that is जो मैंने आपको बताया कि it is to do with the exercise or the hand touch feeling, how you can help your kidneys to feel loved and cared, and this way it will help you to reverse your emotion as well. So the first way to do it is in a very simple manner. If you're standing anywhere, how you adore and love your kidneys would be just putting your hands right near your kidney area. Okay? आप इस तरह डाल लीजिए. 4 fingers would be right back and you're taking your thumb around. So you are holding your body this way and you can stand this way. So this is very useful if you do a very high intensity exercise. या आप रनर हो, आप साइक्लिस्ट हो, आप थक गए हो, you've done a big leap, big burst किया है आपने एक्सरसाइज करके, and you're tired, or even in between sets. So this is the best way to stand, because the kidneys are functioning fast, because the blood circulation has to rush from the heart to the organs to the body. So the entire process has to happen, and it is a big rush. It is pumping. It's like a pump which is carrying oxygen blood throughout their body. So this is the way how you can just tell your kidneys that you care, you love, and you can just do the functioning without being under stress. That is a way of thinking about an athlete. If you're a non-athlete and a person who is under fear, and as I said, अगर आपको लगता है कि you don't feel better, So this is the best way to just stand. So if you are in the house and even if you're talking to someone, आप ऐसे खड़े हो जाए उनके सामने and you can just talk and you can hold your kidneys, you can help your kidneys to be feel that you're loving them and you're taking care of it, because your kidneys are taking care of you, of your entire body by doing so many vital functions. दूसरा तरीका है आप इसी तरह खड़े हो सकते हैं and use your hand and do small tapping. So what you're doing is आप किडनी के एरिया से थोड़ा ऊपर और थोड़ा नीचे you're just tapping. So when you're tapping, आपकी किडनीज को आप वापस से you're trying to express and help the kidneys to function. It's like आप अपने आप को थापी दे रहे हो that you are very proud of your kidneys. And simultaneously you can just go down on the glutes area and you can also tap here. अगर आपको लगता है कि आपके glute movement नहीं है and you are using your lower body below hamstring and below more, so your glutes are tight, so you can do this. Same tapping you can take down to your glutes. तो आप ऊपर से नीचे भी जा सकते हैं as an exercise and come back. So you can do this any time of the day. जब भी आपकी इच्छा हो, जब भी आपका दिल करे. So this can be done any time of the day. These are two exercises which are very helpful to love and adore and accept your kidneys and tell them a thank you, because they are doing an amazing job for you. So if you incorporate water and little bit of water therapy, drinking water and this touch, you will see a huge difference in the coming days. So I am claiming in 7 to 10 days, or probably by the next session, next Sunday when we speak, there would be a huge change. You will feel that. So it is important that whatever we have spoken in this session about kidneys, you can view this again on YouTube channel, which will be uploaded in some time as we disconnect from here. So आप वापस इसको सुन सकते हैं एंड या तो आप FB लाइव का सेशन भी सेव होता है Facebook पे, हमारे पेज पे आप दोबारा इसको सुन सकते हैं. यू कैन अंडरस्टैंड एंड इनकॉर्पोरेट दीज थिंग्स. इफ यू हैव मिस्ड एनीथिंग in the start or anywhere in the middle, and or maybe you did not understand what I was conveying, you can just re-listen to it. And if you have any questions, you can definitely write to me. You can text me, WhatsApp me. The number is there on my page, and my email ID is also there. It's on www.thefnf.in. You can write to me, you can chat with me, and I would be more than happy to help you. And before ending this session, I would also like to highlight that from the coming next week, we are starting with workout programs. So the workout programs, what the FNF incorporates is more to do with, again, the therapeutical aspect, the body energy, your body requirement, and not something which is very similar to everyone does, or a monotonous stuff which you just keep on doing on day-to-day basis. It is always how the nutrition works with the FNF is understanding your body. You are unique, your requirements are unique. So the food catering and the exercise catering is always unique about you. So that is how DFNF works, and we are very happy that we are now going to start with the online training sessions, online workout sessions. For more details, we'll be sharing the page on the below comments line, so you can view that, and also you can go on my website for further details, that is www.dfnf.in. Thank you so much for listening to me. Good day.